I bathe in the floor. Enemy spotted.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Enemy strike, watch out! Contact with target. Taking a moment to recharge your shields. Reloading. Taking a moment to recharge.
Hostile right here.
Enemy spotted.
I am down.
Eyes up. Grenade. Spot. They are attacking. Let go. I will assist you.
Your help is very helpful.
Taking a moment to recharge my shields.
There is a new kill leader.
Careful, no kill leader. Let's explore this way.
Repairing. The ring is in close proximity. Less than 1 minute. Giving my shields a recharge.
Target spotted.
30 seconds left on the clock. The ring's close.
Battery here.
Thank you.
Shield cell here.
I am repairing myself.
Might be something good this way.
Giving my shields a recharge.
10 seconds. The ring is close. All father, give me sight.
The ring's moving, friends.
Making contact with enemy.
Care package.
I am taking fire, friends. Contact with hostile.
I down the hostile.
I have been downed. Making contact with it. Hostile right here.
Reload. Our enemies have met their fate. That squad is out. 2 other squads remain. Healing my shield.
Beginning ring countdown.
One squad remains.
Eliminated.
Inside this ring, I will win. The gods favor my intellect.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown.
Calling upon nature's strength. Time graces me. The ring's home. The honor of kill leader is mine. Ring is not far from me. Time benefits. Seconds remain. 10 seconds until a closer battle.
Warning. Ring closing.
Recharging my shields. I talk in a healing my wounds. Taking a moment. Time benefits. Marking our surroundings. Recharging my shields. Half a minute. The ring is near to me. Taking a moment to heal. Ten seconds. The All Father graces me. Scanning the area.
You are the Apex Champions.